Have you ever asked yourself, what really happens when you watch porn? You think it's just a few minutes of pleasure. A small escape. Something harmless. But what if I told you, every time you press play, you lose a little bit of your focus, your energy, and your confidence? It doesn't destroy you all at once. It does it slowly. Silently. While you keep whispering to yourself. It's no big deal. There was a boy named Aarav. 19 years old. Bright. Ambitious. Full of dreams. He wanted to do something great. He studied hard. He went to the gym. He helped his parents. He was a good kid. But one night, curiosity knocked. A friend sent him a link and said, just for fun. He clicked it. And that one moment became a habit. At first, once a week. Then a few more times. And before he even realized, it became every day. Study. Eat. Scroll. Watch. Sleep. That became his life. Slowly, everything changed. His focus faded. The things he loved, studying, working out, no longer excited him. He felt tired without reason. He began avoiding people. He couldn't even look someone in the eye. Every night he promised himself, this is the last time. But every night, he came back. He thought he was in control. But in reality, he was being controlled. He didn't know porn was rewiring his brain. Every time he watched it, his brain released a powerful hit of dopamine. The same chemical you feel when you achieve something great. But there was no achievement. Just an illusion. And he became addicted to that illusion. Days turned into weeks. Weeks into months. And Aarav began to feel empty. No joy. No motivation. No energy. Alive, but not living. His grades dropped. He stopped exercising. He avoided his family. He felt guilty, yet he couldn't stop. The more he tried to quit, the weaker he felt. One evening, his father looked at him and said, "Beta, you look tired these days. Are you okay?" Aarav forced a smile. "Yeah, Papa, just exams." But he knew he wasn't okay. He was losing himself. Then, one day, something changed. He was watching a motivational video. The speaker said, "You can't become great if you're addicted to instant pleasure." Those words hit him like a punch. Instant pleasure. That was exactly what was destroying him. That night, Aarav made a decision. He would fight back. Not against the world. But against his own mind. The first few days were brutal. Restless nights. Anger. Weakness. Foggy thoughts. But he refused to give in. He deleted apps. Stopped scrolling late at night. Started walking in the evening. When temptation hit, he did push-ups, read a book, called a friend. He replaced his habit, with effort. His distraction, with discipline. And slowly, something beautiful happened. After 2 weeks, his mind felt alive again. He woke up early. Energy returned. Focus improved. He smiled more. He was becoming himself again. People noticed. His confidence came back. He stood straighter. His handshake became firm again. He could look people in the eye, without shame. That's when Aarav understood the truth. You don't quit porn to impress others. You quit it to find yourself. Because when you control your desires, you control your destiny. Porn doesn't free you. It makes you a prisoner. It takes your energy, your confidence, your time. Real strength isn't satisfying every urge. Real strength is mastering it. The moment you stop chasing fake pleasure. you start discovering real purpose. And purpose is far more powerful than pleasure. Aarav replaced addiction with ambition, weakness with willpower, guilt with growth. He started building the life he always imagined. And if you're listening to this, don't feel ashamed. Feel aware. Awareness is the first step to change. Every time you say no to temptation, you say yes to your future. Remember, real men don't chase pixels. They chase purpose. If this story touched your heart, comment below. I choose discipline. Before you scroll away, listen. Your support can change lives. Like this video if something inside you woke up. Share it with the friend who needs this today. And subscribe, not for me, but for yourself. Because every video on this channel exists to remind you. You were born for something greater. Don't just watch. Join the journey. Become the change.